Welcome to AMP University, where today we're going to climb a bit higher and dive into the world of tree-mounted lighting. Whether you're aiming for a spotlight effect or soft downlighting, understanding the proper techniques for tree mounting is crucial for both aesthetic and safety reasons. Let's get started and learn how to integrate light seamlessly with nature. Start by examining the tree and its branches. For downlighting, aim for higher placement to minimize glare. For spotlighting, ensure the fixture is far enough out on the limb to optimize the lighting effect. Sometimes, a little trimming might be necessary to clear the way for your light. This helps maximize the lighting effect without harming the tree. Look for a sturdy limb that can support the weight of a fixture securely. This is crucial for both the health of the tree and the safety of your installation. So what we're doing here is we're going to add a downlight to this area to add some drama. And how we're going to do that is by placing the fixture above a tree line or above a foliage line. If you can look right up here, we see these young sprouts coming out of a newly trimmed area. We're going to get right above that so that we can cast that shadow down onto the ground and create a really awesome effect. When we talk about trimming, we talk about trimming some of the smaller branches and foliage away for uplighting effects to be more pronounced. Now, in this instance, because we're actually using this foliage to create shadowing on the ground, we don't want to trim it all. We want to use nature itself to help us create that drama. Depending on the tree's characteristics, choose the most suitable mount. Remember, always opt for stainless steel hardware to avoid damaging the tree. This is our standard surface mount. Not only is this great for pergolas or different types of hard structures, it can also be used for trees. And the way we want to use this is using our spacers. And so this spacer will actually sit behind this mount, giving us a little bit of lift off the tree so that it buys us some time before we have to come back and make adjustments. This is the AMP flexible tripod mount. This mount's great for unique or uneven surfaces. We're actually able to adjust the legs by bending them to meet the structure's needs and mount to pretty much anything. So this mount's really awesome. This is the AMP stainless steel tree mount. It's a very low profile, low intrusion mount. One of the really cool things about this mount is it uses an 8mm hex bit in order for you to drill it into the tree. So it's a almost single tool installation. No pieces or parts to try to put together while you're up on the ladder. Very, very handy to have and super easy to use. Something to mention for every tree install is our wire management kit. This kit comprises of screw-on zip ties with spacers, allowing you to create a harness all the way down to the ground to make your connection. We want to make sure that we're creating loose connections so that the tree can grow over time. Using zip ties is more beneficial to stapling down the tree. Something definitely good to have on hand. Once you've selected your branch and mount, mark and pre-drill holes using a bit smaller than your mounting hardware. If necessary, use plastic spacers between the mount and the tree to prevent the tree from enveloping the mount over time. That also prolongs the time before adjustments are needed. Attach the fixture to the mount, taking care not to bind the cord. Adjust the fixture's pitch to align with your planned lighting design. And that's how you mount lights on trees, safely and effectively. Thanks for joining us today at AMP University. Remember, the right techniques not only bring out the beauty in your projects, but also ensure longevity and harmony with nature. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and share your tree lighting setups in the comments. Let's keep lighting up our landscapes beautifully and responsibly.